Dude, I'm so glad you're here! Welcome to Hot Wheels Unlimited! You know what we're all about here. Awesome cars, crazy challenges, and building the coolest tracks around, right? Right! So first up, you're gonna want to head over to Hot Wheels City, where there's a trunkload of challenges to test your skills. Win a challenge, get a wheel. Win enough of them, and bam, you've got a shiny new ride. All right, there's so many to collect, I just can't keep count. So buckle up and start your engines. This is gonna be one awesome ride. All right, let's go get some red wheels. Streaming live from Hot Wheels City. Just pick a challenge and go. Challenge accepted. Well, look who's hyped for a puzzle. Go on, do your thing. You know, your thing. Fix that track. I got your back. Hey, don't fret. Just call the jet. Ha! Hey, don't fret. Just call the jet. Ha! I believe you can do this! Challenge cleared! Awesome! Your turn kicker is ready to build! One new prize coming right up! With unbelievable raw speed, the track is what's for dinner.